Before releasing a drawing for custom precision ceramic components, you need to know how critical dimensions, surfaces, and acceptance requirements will be checked. This video shows how those requirements become a practical inspection plan before shipment. Inspection planning begins with the component, material, geometry, and working conditions. Different ceramic projects may require different checkpoints, so the review must start with the actual application, not a generic checklist. The drawing should identify the dimensions, tolerances, surface requirements, and critical features that affect assembly or operation. These requirements define what must be measured and when. During machining and finishing, selected features can be checked at plan stages. Early checks help identify deviation before the component reaches final inspection. Dimensional inspection should focus on the features that control fit, alignment, sealing, or motion. The measurement method must match the geometry and the agreed acceptance criteria. Surface condition and edge integrity also matter. Ground, polished, sealing, and flow contact surfaces may require different checks based on the drawing and application. Before production, agree on the required inspection scope and documentation. Clear acceptance criteria reduce repeated clarification and make quality review more useful for both engineering and procurement teams. Final checks and protective packaging should reflect the component's critical surfaces and handling risks. The goal is shipment readiness against the agreed project requirements. Send ADCERAX your drawing, material requirement, dimensions, tolerances, quantity, working conditions, and quality concerns. Our team will review manufacturability and the appropriate inspection scope before quotation.